Okay, so you got a lot of scissors around the house, but how many of them are actually sharp? I bet not many. Today, I'm going to show you how to sharpen those scissors and clean them too. So the first thing you need is just some aluminum foil. Now just pull out a nice size piece, and I like to fold it into a few pieces. I think it works better when it's a little thicker. Then you're just going to take your scissors and start and cut through it. And just keep cutting through it. Cut about, I don't know, 10 times or so. That's what really sharpens those blades up so that they cut really well. Then the next time you reach for a piece of paper to cut, it practically cuts itself. Now, do you have dirty scissors? Great way to clean those are with baby wipes. You're just going to take a baby wipe, wipe over them. It even takes off school glue. It's such a great way to clean them. So, grab your baby wipes and your foil and get cutting. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.